The 7 best collagen-rich foods to eat. Collagen, a naturally occurring protein in our bodies, is responsible for giving our skin its elasticity and also contributes to the production of bone cartilage and tendons. While our bodies produce ample collagen when we're young, production slows down as we age, potentially leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Fortunately, there are numerous collagen-rich foods available to us. Whether you're aiming to enhance your skin's elasticity, strengthen your joints, or promote gut health, these foods offer the collagen boost you need. So, grab a pen and paper and prepare to take some notes because you won't want to miss out on these superfoods. Let's explore them in detail. 1. Bone broth. Bone broths contain a wealth of collagen, a crucial protein that supports supple skin, healthy joints, and shiny hair. Additionally, it aids in maintaining energy levels and facilitates the body's self-healing processes. To prepare bone broth, animal bones, preferably organic, are simmered in water for an extended period, sometimes up to 24 hours. This extended simmering breaks down the collagen into amino acids that the body can readily utilize. But how do you incorporate bone broth into your diet? The simplest method is to drink it as is. It serves as an excellent base for soups or other liquid-based dishes. Alternatively, you can use it as a marinade for meats or fish before cooking, or add it to rice or pasta dishes during the cooking process. Just ensure there's sufficient liquid in the pot. For those feeling adventurous, there are even recipes available for making bone broth ice cubes. 2. Spirulina. Spirulina stands out as an excellent collagen source. A study featured in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry revealed that spirulina boasts high collagen levels, essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Interestingly, the study noted that spirulina surpasses many other food sources, including fish, in collagen content. This observation aligns with spirulina's classification as blue-green algae. Incorporating sufficient spirulina into your diet is crucial. One convenient method is to add it to smoothies. With its mild flavor, spirulina seamlessly blends with other ingredients without altering the taste significantly. To streamline your mornings, prepare your smoothie ingredients in advance, allowing you to swiftly toss them into the blender whenever you're ready to enjoy a nutritious drink. 3. Sardines. Sardines are abundant in collagen, making them an ideal choice when aiming to meet our daily collagen needs. Collagen serves as a foundational component for skin, hair, and nails, while also supporting joint and bone health. Simply put, higher collagen levels correlate with better overall health. So, how exactly do sardines contribute to these health benefits? Firstly, they're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, known to reduce inflammation and enhance joint function. Additionally, sardines boast significant levels of vitamin A and vitamin B12, essential for skin health and wrinkle reduction, as well as promoting clear and vibrant eyes. Lastly, sardines are an excellent source of protein, aiding in muscle building and thereby combating aging. Incorporating sardines into your diet is easy. They're readily available in canned or fresh varieties at most supermarkets or fish markets. You can enjoy them on sandwiches, salads, or simply on their own. 4. Eggs. Eggs serve as an excellent collagen source, making them an optimal choice for boosting your collagen intake. They stand out as one of the top sources due to their comprehensive amino acid profile, essential for collagen synthesis. As the saying goes, you are what you eat, and consuming eggs contributes to overall body strength, including skin health. So, feel free to indulge in eggs, whether enjoyed over easy on toast or paired with tomatoes and basil for a nutritious meal. 5. Organ meats. Organ meats are an excellent collagen source, boasting a plethora of other nutrients as well. According to research conducted by Purdue University, incorporating organ meats into your diet regularly could enhance joint health and alleviate osteoarthritis-related pain. This is attributed to their high levels of glucosamine and chondroitin sulfate, crucial components for cartilage rebuilding and joint repair. However, consuming organ meats daily might not be everyone's preference due to taste preferences and cost considerations. Fortunately, you can substitute organ meats with the bone broth alternatives mentioned earlier in this video and still enjoy the associated benefits. 6. Skin on chicken. Chicken skin stands out as one of the finest collagen sources available for consumption. Its richness in collagen, a protein vital for maintaining healthy, elastic, and supple skin, makes it highly beneficial. Moreover, collagen aids in diminishing fine lines and wrinkles by promoting cell growth throughout the body. Beyond its collagen content, chicken skin contributes to the repair of damaged tissues, including bones, ligaments, and tendons. In addition to its collagen abundance, chicken offers numerous other remarkable health benefits. It is an excellent source of protein, facilitating muscle recovery post-exercise. Furthermore, chicken is abundant in vitamin B6, which plays a pivotal role in energy production within the body. 7. Shellfish. Shellfish emerges as an excellent collagen source that's conveniently palatable. Collagen, pivotal for maintaining skin and joint health, is abundant in shellfish due to its inherent nature as a protein. Furthermore, shellfish boasts high levels of the mineral selenium, which supports the body in generating antioxidants. These antioxidants play a crucial role in shielding cells from damage inflicted by free radicals, potentially mitigating risks associated with cancer, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Additionally, shellfish is rich in vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to mood stabilization and enhanced brain function. There are various delightful ways to incorporate shellfish into your diet, whether sautéed over pasta, fried with eggs for breakfast, or lightly seasoned with herbs and spices for an elegant appetizer or starter dish at dinner gatherings. Now, a common query arises: is it preferable to obtain collagen from food sources or supplements? Ideally, collagen consumption through foods is optimal. However, acknowledging that this may not always be feasible, supplements offer a convenient alternative. Nonetheless, striving to integrate collagen-rich foods into your diet remains paramount. Hence, I've provided simple ways to incorporate each discussed food into your meals in this video. Additionally, it's understandable that some individuals may dislike the taste or texture of certain foods and prefer supplements for reaping the benefits sans consumption. I trust this compilation has aided in identifying excellent collagen sources, bearing in mind that numerous other foods contain collagen as well. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.